Understanding the phrase, "The clock is ticking," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, "The clock is ticking." This is a common saying you might have heard in movies, books, or everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? Stay with us as we break down this phrase, its meaning, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. First, let's look at the literal meaning of the phrase. A clock is an instrument we use to measure time, and when it's ticking, it's simply making a sound as it counts the seconds. This sound is often associated with the passing of time, but when people use this phrase, they usually aren't talking about a real clock. So, what are they referring to? Let's find out in the next section. In a figurative sense, "the clock is ticking" is used to indicate that time is running out. It's often used to create a sense of urgency or to remind someone that they have a limited amount of time to do something. For example, if you have a project due in a week, someone might say, "The clock is ticking," to remind you that you don't have much time left. Now let's see how to use this phrase in different contexts. It's versatile and can be used in various situations, such as deadlines. We need to finish this project soon. The clock is ticking. Events. The wedding is just a month away. The clock is ticking to get everything ready. Life goals. I always wanted to travel the world. I'm not getting any younger. The clock is ticking. To expand your vocabulary, here are some similar phrases. Time is running out. Against the clock. Race against time. These phrases can often be used interchangeably with "the clock is ticking." And that's it. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, "the clock is ticking," confidently in your English conversations. Remember, it's a great way to express urgency and the passing of time. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next one.